Hey everyone, Indian Army organized the Terrier CyberQuest 2025 and anybody can apply here. Start with the location, New Delhi is the location, and move to the important timelines and important dates. So it is started from 2023 July and the end date is 14 September, means registration close date. So 3 days 13 hours left to register here, and the shortlisting of participants is from 15 to 23rd of September 2025. Grand finale is held on 6th and 7th October 2025 and award ceremony is held on 9th October 2025. So these are the important timeline and important dates. Now move to the team and registration rules. As you can see that you can register as individually or teams up to 3 members. Their application participants are encouraged to share links to certification or badges earned in the cybersecurity domain. If you have certificate in cybersecurity domain, it is a very plus point. So start with the tracks. There are 2 tracks and formats. First one is for the bug hunting and second one is for the datathon. Start with the bug hunting. It is in the field of cybersecurity. You have to start with 8 to 10 hours of virtual CTF, means capture the flag. Then solve puzzle programs files with vulnerabilities. Then submit a flag. Here is the short listing process. A 8 to 10 hours virtual elimination round will be conducted in this track. Teams participants will be provided with a link to the CTF portal where they will be competing against each other. Competitive means capture the flag event. This is a portal. Now it will be a short capture the flag event, puzzles, programs, system files containing security vulnerabilities. Now you have to do each puzzle has a secret key called a flag embedded within it. Finding the flags proves that participants have solved the particular challenge and submitting the flag earns point. Means while you solve the puzzle you earn points. Each problem statement has its own points which depend on the difficulty of the problem. The scoring procedure depends on how many points participants have earned and how much time they have taken to submit the flags. Means times and points create a important role in your shortlisting process. Participants also may be asked to submit a proof of concept document after this phase. And in last, top 10 teams or participants on the leaderboard will be selected as the finalist for this track. So after the 10 teams selected, grand final will be held on 6 to 7 October. In grand final will be a 30 hours in-person challenge where the top 10 selected teams or participants will be invited to compete. In this intensive round, participants will engage in live bug hunting within a secure, controlled environment designed to simulate real-world conditions. The largest environment will reflect a customized system stack. Used in national infrastructure, participants will be required to identify and document vulnerabilities. The setup may include elements inspired by specific organizational use cases and configuration, with dummy data mimicking operational scenario, ensuring a safe and realistic experience. And you can see points will be awarded based on the severity, originality and complexity of the bug found. Here is the main point. Points will be awarded on the basis of severity, originality and complexity of the bug found. A panel of experts will be verify the discovered bugs and determine the final score after the grand final round gets over. So and top 3 participants or teams will be declared winner based on their cumulative performance. Now move to the track 2 Datathon. It is based on AIML plus quantum. It is same as the previous one, means individual or 3 teams can participate, but you have to submit a PPT or PDF format challenge approach while registration. In PDF or PPT you have to submit as the format of outline where you describe the problem you are aiming to solve, the methodologies and technology stakes and the past experience. And shortlisting will be Participants and teams evaluated based on the documented brief, the quality of their write-up idea and the PowerPoint presentation submitted during registration on the basis of set judging criteria. Means top 10 teams up to 30 participants will be shortlisted for the final round. Here is the problem statement. Grand finale. During the grand final, shortlisted participants will have 36 hours to transform their proposed solution into working prototypes, while under the mentors and necessary resources to assist in their development process. Means you get the mentor support also, and you can read here more. I now talk about the problem statements. Themes: drone flight anomaly detection, and second theme is quantum machine learning for threat detection. First one is drone flight anomaly detection. Object build a predictive model to detect anomalies in drone flight paths using telemetry data. Dataset: time series logs of altitude, velocity, yaw, pitch, battery, and GPS drift. Challenge: identify malfunction pattern, signal jamming, or unauthorized diversion. Impact: prevent mid-air mission failure or hijack scenarios during surveillance. Oops. Now, other details about theme 2: quantum machine learning for threat detection. Quantum malware hunter means here problem is use quantum enhanced ML to detect unknown malware pattern in real time. Dataset: simulated network traffic or malware signature. AI plus quantum. Early ransomware detection problem: build a hybrid AI system, classical plus quantum, that predicts ransomware deployment patterns from user behavior logs. Now you can see judging criteria for the track 2. First one is innovation and relevance to the themes. Second one is feasibility of the solution, illustration of the idea, technical depth, and presentation and demonstration. Presentation and demonstration means demo quality, and illustration of the idea means clarity of data and presentation. Here is the brief description. You can read here more. Now talk about the key highlights means prize and recognition. Medals and certificate from the Territorial Army. Attractive prizes for the winners. Boarding and lodging. All participants will be provided with comfortable boarding and lodging facilities for the duration of the event, ensuring a seamless experience. Means it is a free boarding and lodging. Opportunity to contribute to the Territorial Army. Participants will have a rare chance of collaborate with the Territorial Army, working alongside defense professionals and contributing directly to the national defense landscape. Honoring winners. Award to be presented by an honorable member of parliament or a senior official from the government of India. So this is the hackathon. You can select one of these from these two tracks. Track 1 Baganting and track 2 Datathon. So end this video, apply link below in the description, and hit like button and comment and subscribe Skillr for more job updates.